Hi, welcome to Eat Well. Today I think this video is for people living in Montreal, Canada. I'm heading to Hello 123, a vegan restaurant near EATWELL Market. Today is super cold, minus 13 degree now. This is one of the best new restaurants in Montreal, it says. I like the interior. I ordered an Americano coffee, mushroom toast, Benny, and the coffee was so good. This is a Benny, one of the brunch menus. I think it's a really good vegan option instead of an egg benedict. It's a tofu with avocado sauce and baked onion on the top. I think the tofu could be better seasoned, but I love the creamy avocado sauce. This one is a mushroom toast. Pesto on the toasted whole wheat bread with cashew nut cream and well seasoned mushrooms. This one is really tasty. I felt the food were really healthy and not oily at all. I like it. Thanks for watching my channel today.